and most useful. Dear student, today we have the topic that direct and indirect speech. We have discussed direct and indirect speech, its rule and its regulation. Today we will discuss about direct and indirect speech, present perfect continuous tense. First of all, what is present perfect continuous tense? It is used for those kind of activities which we have started in past, just and still going on in present time. For example, I have been started to school since 2015. That activity we have started in past and it is continued till to present time. So today we will discuss about that if present perfect sentences came. So how can we will be changed from direct to indirect speech? So we have the helping verb of this tense is have been or has been. There is a base form have and has. It is original and root verb, but been we agrees. That's why that it will be show the perfect form. So in indirect speech, this tense will be not changed because in rule we have read that present perfect continuous tense will be changed to past perfect tense, and past perfect it can't be changed. It will be the same. So first of all, we will read positive formula into direct speech. Then we will be changed from direct to indirect speech. First of all, direct. He said to me, here comma, after the comma there is quotation mark, because we use quotation mark in indirect speech that we enclose the actual word of a speaker. In direct speech there is two speech. One is reporting speech, the second one is reporting speech. What is reporting speech? The speech which is repeating again and again, that is called reporting speech. For example, he said to me, comma, after the reporting speech, there is the most important thing, that is inverted comma, that we use for the enclosing of the actual word of a speaker. That reported speech, what is the reported speech? The actual word of a speaker which repeats at once, that is called reported speech. For example, I have been attending class for 2 days. So the same sentence, how can we change into indirect speech? Second one is they said to us, that is reporting speech. You have been teaching since 2015. The third one is she said to her, comma, inverted comma, Ali has been working for 3 years. So these are the direct speech. Now we want to be from direct speech to change into indirect speech. So the first one is he said to me. In here, the most important thing is that reporting verb. If reporting verb in past, so the all sentence status will be changed. If reporting verb in present, so just the person will be changed. Now we look to this sentence. He said to me. That is subject. Second one is said. It is the verb. It came into the past. So now we want to be changed all the status of the tense. The first one is he said to me, he told me. First of all, we change the reporting speech. Here, the most important thing is that inverted commas we remove by that, because we have read in the rule of the direct and indirect speech. If there is inverted comma, then it will be removed or omit by that. So he told me that he is. Then we want to change report that actual word of a speaker. So first of all, we look to here the subject of reported speech. The subject of a reported speech is if there is first person, so it will be changed according to subject. If there is second person, it will be changed according to the object of reporting speech. If there is third person, so it cannot be changed, because we have read in the direct and indirect speech there is some formula. S for subject, O for object, no for N for no change. If there is subject, if that is first one, it will be changed according to subject of reporting speech. If there is second person, it will be changed according to object of reporting speech. If there is third person, so it can't be changed. So the first sentence, he said to me, I have been attending class for 2 days. So the same sentence, he told me that. So now I is the first person. It's changed according to the subject of the reporting speech. He told me that he had, because this is present, it's changed into past perfect. He had been attending the class for 2 days. So we change that. Second one, they said to us, this is the reporting speech. Inverted comma, you have been teaching since 2015. So the first of all, we will look to that reporting verb, how it is in present or in the past. So second, if we check that is in the past, the second one is they told. Said to change it to told. They told us. They told us, and we remove comma by that. That. So here is which person?
Second person.
Second person. You is second person.
Yes.
It's changed according to the object of reporting speech. They told us that. So it is here us is the objective case, but we want to be put here the subjective case of us. So the subjective case of the us is we. They told us that we. Here is present, but we want to change into past. We had been
teaching
teaching
since
since 2015. So the last one is she said to her. This is the reporting speech of a speaker. She subject, said verb to conjunction or preposition, her object. So first of all, we will look to the reporting verb. The three one is she told her. She told her that we remove comma. That. So we will look here. The most important thing is that it is which person? Third person. So the third person it can't be changed. The same it will become. She told her that Ali had been working
working for
for 3 years.